You must have definitely heard that Nvidia has disclosed a $3.7 million stake in SoundHound. So that is to a very good extent a validation of your interest in SoundHound. All along, you may have been involved with the stock, from its highs to its current lows, even though it's spiked by around 2.53%. This is pretty much its lows. It reached the highs of around $14 at some point in middle of 2022 or thereabout. But you've been around, you've been involved with the stock, you never gave up. And I think Nvidia's stake is, I would say, a part, not just a validation. It is an encouragement. It's if you were in doubt, the company that actually epitomizes AI, Nvidia itself, is saying, look, this company, you need to be there. Even though it's a $3.7 million stake, it could be more, but Nvidia is small. Sorry, SoundHound is small. They're investing small to 10x or 200x or even 1000x. So if you were in doubt, this is a validation. This is this is, your doubts have been cleared. Your doubts have been cleared. So this is its 1 day chart. So it has blown past all of its upper projections, and this has not it hasn't recalculated anything yet. And in the last video we had a projection of $2.6. That was as of sometime in late January. I would say sometime around January 23rd or thereabout. So that would be around somewhere here, 2.6, and it hasn't really gone to that. So it hasn't closed at those sort of levels. But come today and now, it has done that. So after that, it retraced and began to pivot. As a matter of fact, this February has been a positive month for the stock. It has continued to look up, and then with this disclosure, things have totally changed. Now let's look at its 1 minute chart and see what we have on this 1 minute chart. Interesting projections. They are here. The Fibonacci algorithm has recalculated. Definitely has recalculated. It has a $3.84 as its upward projection, and I believe at some point it's reached $4 or thereabout in this session. I want to believe, yes, at some point it did, even higher than that. So, but what we have right now is 3.83 as its most upper projection, and but it also has 3.76. And then it has 3.73 as well. But indeed, also there are downward projections. We have 3.57 as the least of them all on this 1 minute chart. So on its 5 minute chart, let's see what we have on its 5 minute chart. Upper projections, we have 4.13, 4.11. So you can see the stock did indeed actually reach, it actually surpassed, it reached 4.24. Based on this 5 minute chart captured that, figure. Okay, let's look at the 30 minute chart and see what we have on its 30 minute chart. We have projections that go all the way towards $6.8, and we have 5.4. We have 4.9. We have 4.91. We have 4.53. We have 4.27, and then we have $4. We have $4. So is this disclosure enough to propel SoundHound even higher? Well, I really can't say for sure whether this will whether this is going to be enough momentum to at least keep it above the current levels it has been trading at for the best part of, I would say, last 2 years, or at least the best part of the last 1 year. Would it be? Maybe, or maybe not. I really can't say. Is this enough news that will lift the stock from its current levels, from these current levels, and take it up to higher levels? Would it be the case? Let's look at a 3-hour chart and see. We have here nothing. Okay, projects the stock has exceeded all of its upper projections there, and then on its 1-day chart it has equally done that as well. And on its 1-week chart we might see something, nothing, no projections there, no projections. And I think the most fascinating is that 30-minute chart, isn't it? 30-minute chart, yes, really fascinating. $6.82. Is that enough? Is this Nvidia disclosure? Is disclosure enough? Is it going to be enough? 6.8 and 6.82 and 5.4. I mean, what is actually sounds realistic is that if it gets to 3.98, it did actually reach those levels. 3.98, would it is 4.25 something that is realistic? Okay, but in any case, let's get back to its 1-minute chart and remove this extrapolation, this indicator, and try its autoregression indicator. Let's see autoregression of moving averages. Let's look at indicators we have. Okay, let's see autoregression extrapolation of optimization of moving average. Let's see whether we have this. Is it this? Let's see. No, it's not this. Not that. Not the tool we want. Not the indicator we want. Let's move it. Let's see. Is that the one? Let's see. No, that's not it. This is the extrapolation of its price. Let's see. Yeah, that's the one. Yes. No, got it wrong. Okay, let's see. I should be able to get this now. With an average prediction. Yeah, okay, that's the one. With an average prediction. Okay, so weakness is projected on its daily chart. Weakness is projected, and then expected to spike again, and then weakness again. So not that fantastic. Not validating what has happened today. Yeah, but it's good news. Good news that Nvidia has interest in the stock. At least like I said earlier on, it's just a validation that the company is not a fluke. It's not any of those one of those many companies that constantly dashing hopes. So we hope your hopes wouldn't be dashed with SoundHound. Yeah. So as we count down to the close of this session today, the 15th of February 2024, SoundHound is up 64% or thereabout. Yeah, so see how you're going to digest all of this news, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.